Welcome to Code Black Security, an online personal protection shop for women. Today, we're going to give you a few tips for using your new stun gun. If you don't yet have a stun gun, get yours in our shop. Once you have a stun gun, familiarize yourself with it. Get to know your features and practice using it. Practice reduces panic and instills confidence. Always have your stun gun on you and ready to use. It's not effective if you don't have quick access to it. Keep it accessible and know where it is at all times. If you find yourself in a situation that warrants the use of a stun gun, use it. You have chosen a non-lethal self-defense weapon that will not kill them. Keep yourself free from harm and engage your stun gun. Take care of your stun gun and it will take care of you. Keep it clean and charged to ensure it will work the way it's supposed to when you need it. Don't show off your stun gun or play with it like a toy. The best self-defense tactic is the element of surprise. Don't let them know what you are armed with. Just use it when you need to. Your stun gun is meant to temporarily incapacitate an aggressor. Use it until they have hit the floor and make a hasty escape. Your stun gun can save your life and requires little effort. We hope these tips help you feel more comfortable with your choice. Preparation is protection. Arm yourself with the skills and equipment every woman deserves.